Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today we're making something different. We are making a Christmas chandelier. Yes, I'm obsessed over them. And here they're being used this season and I want mine. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start fluffing our Christmas wreath. I have had this one like for 4 years or something like that. So I guess it's time for this one just to be used in something different. So we're gonna fluff all of our wreath, and after that we're gonna start adding our elements to our chandelier. And I'm gonna be fluffing this and I'm gonna show you how it turns out so we can move on. Alright, I gave it a good fluff to the sides, to the middle, and some of them going to the center, just like this, so we can have the greenery all around. I'm going to use these beautiful crystals. These long ones are going to go in the center to the inside part. We're going to use medium-sized and small ones. The small ones would go on the outside part. I have 10 each. We're gonna use this snowflakes. These ones are from Walmart. I have them since last year. And we're gonna use ornaments. To tie them all up, we're gonna use this fishing line. And let's get started. And this is how it's looking. We put 9 of them, like so. As you can see them, they're on the inside of our wreath. And now we're going to proceed with the medium-sized ones. We put 8 right here, and we're going to proceed with the medium ones. I left this 2 because I will hang this 2 on the center where we want to just hang it. We're going to proceed with these ones. I'm adding all the crystals right now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make our ornaments in the fishing line so we can keep on adding. These ones, we're going to put them, all of them, in the center branches because we want them to show in the center. And this is how it's looking. Let me show you so you can see how they dangle in the center. This is the dangling effect we want to create with our wreath. As you can see, they are attached here and just falling from our wreath. You're going to see this effect a little bit later in the video when I show you how it turns out. Our next steps are going to be building our wreath and adding our snowflakes, as I want to add the shorter crystals, this one's the last. So our next step is adding our beautiful snowflakes, and for them I just want different layers, like different heights. So let's start with that. And this is how our beautiful chandelier is starting to look. As you can see, I have added some ornaments. These ones are tied. I was working on that. Okay. I have added some ornaments, the snowflakes, the balls, at different heights. Let me show you. I'm working at different heights. And I added the top hanging part. I added a washer, no, that's not a washer. A keychain ring and some more fishing line around it so you can tie it to the ceiling. And this is how it's starting to look. I'm gonna keep on adding ornaments, different heights. You can see now it has some hanging ornaments and snowflakes and our crystals, and it's starting to look really beautiful. So you can see I added the smaller ones. Still have lots of work to do, but it's turning out really, really, really beautiful. Now our chandelier is done. I have added all the ornaments. I even added the center part of it. It's looking a little bit off-sided because this is hanging from that hook and it won't look perfect, but when we hang it, it will look beautiful because this goes in the center of our chandelier. Let me show you. It has a couple of balls in the down part and a couple of ornaments, including some of the crystals we added. Crystals, snowflakes, stars, and balls. This is how it's looking. I wasn't sure what I was going to put on top of here, but today I went to Walmart and I found this beautiful fix with a clip for $1.48, and I thought they are just beautiful and perfect to put on my beautiful, really beautiful Christmas chandelier. So I will be putting this on my chandelier and I will show you how it turns out. Also, I bought this picks on Walmart, same price, $1.48. That I just have two of them, and I will be putting one on each side, one like here and the other one here, and then I will show you how this turns out, okay? And this is how I'm arranging them. As you can see, I'm just putting them to the side and the other one hanging so it goes with the other ones we have. Look how beautiful. My son is loving this. I'm arranging them like this. This is how it's turning out. This is how it turns out. You have a beautiful ornaments here. Those are the picks we bought from Walmart. We have our pine cones. We have the other pick we bought from Walmart. And this is how it's looking. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. And also, you can watch where I place this on my home tour. Take care. Bye-bye.